Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south from Woodside towards Post Road. On the left is Post Road Pentecostal Church. The road to the right will take you to Windsor Castle, Donnington, Springfield, Carron Hall and the other communities, whilst the road straight ahead will take you to Pear Grove, Retreat, Sports Park, Hampton Walk, Rio Mango, Rose Hill and the other communities. Additionally, a few meters ahead, you can find the Post Road Seventh-day Adventist Church. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.